Selamat sore, Pak.
Sore, Bu.
Aduh, Bapak kok ngebut-ngebut di jalan?
Kami Bapak nih, Bu.
Safety belt-nya juga nggak dipakai. Sini saya ajarkan pakai safety belt-nya. Nah, gitu kan keren. Karena Bapak sudah melanggar peraturan, jadi Bapak kami
Silakan, Ibu.
I tell a man's not hot. I tell a man's not hot. The girl told me take off your jacket. I said, babe, man's not hot, never hot. I tell a man's not hot, never hot. I tell a man's not hot, never hot. The girl told me take off.